well good that. In today's video, I'm doing a POV drive of a Mark 5 GTI DSG that's running 270 brake. Just look at it, man. Nice little piece of kit. Very nice, man. Since the last video, well, the review video, I've had these tips put on. They make a difference so much. They make a big difference, man. Look at that angle. Wow. A little thumbnail angle there. Yeah, that's the one. So yeah, let me jump straight in. Let me mount it to my head, the GoPro, and let's jump straight in. Right, so I've got my new route then on the way back. Just pulling some random service station. Turn this off. Where else we're going? I don't know how well the video's coming out across, but you know what? Just chill for a bit. Oh, there's a little bridge coming up. Oh, that sounds well good, that. I don't know how well you saw that though, man. I don't know if the angle's good enough or not. If you see me touching here, it's because I'm just used to manual, so I'm getting used to not touching it, but yeah, good one, pal. Pull out. And if you see me keep looking there, it's because my speedo doesn't work. So my speed's in the corner there. Bad day to film as well, it's raining, but you know what, it's fine, it's fine. Chucking. The car does fly. Turn this off. Give it a cup, give it a cup, give it a cup. Yeah, man, she gets off. Paddle shifters are a game changer. So this has got manual and automatic, but the manual is on the paddle shifters, or I can just do that and then downshift, downshift, downshift. But I find that weird, so we just stick to the paddle shifters. Don't know why it's so busy today on this Saturday. I'm filming, raining, busy. And I'm just here trying to film a few clips for you guys. Oh, some good stuff here actually. Don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let's just cruise a bit, let's just cruise. jet as well. So let's take it down some local roads and then take onto the dual carriageway. Been here actually. Sun-App's taking me to. I just put some random location in. That road looks alright, you know. Feels weird driving here because I've never been here. It looks like it's some restricted space. Oh, it's like an industrial estate. This is a good stretch actually. I didn't expect it to be that good. Never been here. There's another one there. I don't want to take it because it looks very like restricted. Looks like a good road. Abandoned. Yeah, this is some like Area 51 type stuff, man. Forget this. Good roads though. I might come back again. Oh, I can film a note to 60 here. Good location actually. Oh, I know where I am. I know where I am. That was a good stretch actually. No one's there. And he's about to use this with the camera on his head. Control mode. That wasn't even in sport mode, that was all in normal drive mode. I hope the angle and everything's all good because I've checked it on the phone and it looked good. But obviously with me manoeuvring about my seat and stuff, looking that way, looking this way, it might have moved a bit, it might have shifted a bit to the right or... You can hear little purples. That did not sound good, but for the content it came out quite good. It didn't sound good because I was obviously 5,000 revs. That was like a nice drive up there. Who'd have thought Blackburn could look so scenic? Slow it down a bit, slow it down a bit, slow it down a bit. fundamentals. The car's so scatty, like it just wants to spin out. Can I go this way? Yeah. It does get off, man. It does get off. Check it back in drive mode. Let's just chill a bit now. Let's just cruise. What I mean by the launch control thing, where it's got launch control mode, but it's so delayed. I think it's because of the traction button's not working, so I can't turn it on and off. So it's like I've launched it, I've put in launch control mode, I've planted full foot down, not going anywhere. So I've tried to do it again and it's just stopped. But then once I've just shut off, like, let the speed camera go, I'll show you again. Like in my manual, all I have to do is clutch, bang, gone. Now when it's rolling, it's so fast. So I need to figure this launch thing out where I need to figure out how to just launch it straight off the line. We've got traffic light here now. I'm gonna launch it straight from here. Just spins. Just spun out. I don't know if you saw there, just spun. And that's straight off the line. No launch mode, nothing, just full foot down, plant the full foot down. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. Let's do one more send here and then call it a day, man, because I think my GoPro's running out of charge. Once she gets going, she's gone. Yeah, right, I'm gonna call it there before it goes all left. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you want to see more POV drives, let me know. I've got the whole camera set up there on my head. I've got other camera modes ready, so I'm ready to film some more now. And if I can get my hands on other cars, I'm ready. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I shall see you guys in the next one.